Hey y'all, it's Lura. Just wanted to come on and show off our close and cut. The close and cut, a lot of people, they don't necessarily use it for everything that they can. The actual original purpose of this product, there's two spring-loaded platforms here, so that when you put your grape tomatoes or your cherry tomatoes, your pitted olives, your strawberries, whatever, your mozzarella balls, and you put them in there. When you close it down, it actually, closes completely, but it's not mashing the tomatoes because those platforms move back on the springs. And that way, when you take your knife and you go right through, you've cut them exactly in half. It's pretty cool. I know people do that with plates and stuff like that. But this is safer because your hand is completely away from any cutting edge. It's not what I do with it. This is how I'm going to cut and thin slice my own chicken breast. That's really too thick to cook properly. So when you put it on the platform, you got a little tail hanging out. It's okay. It's the thin part. When you close it down, again, you can see that it's completely closed. It closes down so that now when I take my knife and I cut through there, I've now thin sliced my own chicken breast. Whoop, that didn't go all the way through. But you can see how much thinner that is and how much better that will cook when it's thin sliced like that. If this is a little bit thicker, like this is a little thick, so I could probably put this back in and cut it through again. And now I've filleted again. So that's what I love the close and cut for. Remember that it's Monday night, and that means that you have 24 hours left to order. And so if you order by midnight on Tuesday, sorry, that was a little confusing, I will add an extra gift to your order as a thank you. And if you have any questions, or if you want to see anything, or have me profile or talk about any product, please, feel free to tag me, ask me questions. I'm happy to talk about anything. There's nothing off the table. I hope you guys are having a great night. Thanks.